Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. This is different than last time we looked. Definitely some cumulonimbus clouds out there right now. Wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing some lightning around the Helena area in the next few minutes here. 84 degrees, still pretty warm out there, adding to the instability of our atmosphere. We have a warm southwest flow over the state right now. Thunderstorms in the distance at Great Falls as well. Your temperatures have dropped a little bit, but we are still under that severe threat today. A level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. Helena, Great Falls included in that. Most of western Montana is. That's for damaging wind gusts and some small hail. Again, that threat time goes through about midnight tonight. So after it gets dark out here, we could still be experiencing some strong to severe storms as the cold front approaches us. It'll be through us tomorrow and to western Montana tomorrow, where they have been upgraded to a level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. Glendive included in that. Communities along the eastern border of Montana need to take these precautions seriously because we could see some pretty big hail out there, greater than an inch in diameter, bigger than what we will see today, so that's why they were upgraded. Lots of lightning across the state right now. Here's that line that we were just looking at in Helena. No active strikes there yet, so we'll take a closer look at that, but some pretty heavy precipitation rates moving on in. This is the current radar right now, so look at these yellows showing up. Our camera was looking just out that way towards that heavier band of precipitation. Here's Great Falls, a few heavier thunderstorms to your northwest. Conrad getting hit pretty hard right now, Dutton as well. Those storms have made it through Choteau already, but more storms behind that. Here's Missoula. Lots of heavy rain there. Here's the Seeley Lake area, got hit by a thunderstorm earlier. Here's our hail trackers. So notice right to the southwest of Seeley Lake just about a half hour ago, some pretty big hail being picked up by our radar, and even still some hail in the higher elevations just to the west of Augusta along the Rocky Mountain front. And even southern Montana, Deer Lodge, Anaconda, Butte, Phillipsburg, all getting a little bit of rain right now, heavier rain approaching the Avon area. So here's a look at some storm reports right now. I wasn't lying to you, I promise. Some pretty heavy wind gusts reported pretty much for all of southwest Montana, even some storm damage near Hamilton. That's actually a downed power line in the middle of a road due to some thunderstorm wind. And here are even some severe warnings. Boise, Idaho, a severe warning in Boise and to your west, and another warning up there in northern Idaho. So through the rest of today, we could see some heavy thunderstorms in Helena, in Great Falls, through the overnight hours, moving ahead of the cold front. This is the cold front moving into western Montana early tomorrow morning. Any of these storms ahead of the front could have the potential to be stronger. Now, the activity will subside into the early morning hours tomorrow, but still pretty heavy rain up and along the cold front. Even a few isolated lightning strikes cannot be ruled out as this line of showers and storms makes its way through Helena and Great Falls around 7 to 9 a.m. tomorrow, I think is our time frame when we could first start seeing that rain, and even some lingering showers in the higher elevations into the afternoon hours. Could even see some brief snow sprinkles in the higher elevations. So going through the rest of today, here is our available energy. Notice all that green available near Great Falls, a little bit near Helena as well. This is about 8:30, so that's when the sun's starting to go down. That energy will decrease, but it re-intensifies in eastern Montana tomorrow, where we could see that big hail reported with that. So even some heavy rain rates across southern Montana could lead to some flash flooding as well. So going into tomorrow, we'll have the AM chance of some rain and thunderstorms, but will dry out mostly for the weekend. Just some isolated thunderstorms in the higher elevations with temperatures in the 70s.